Hey everyone, I am here today to unbox the March 2021 Spice Madam box. If you've been following my reviews about Spice Madam, you will know that every single month they send you an awesome little subscription box based on a different country, and you will get spices and recipes all from that country. So this country for March was Tunisia, which I'm sorry, but I didn't even know where that was until I looked it up. And it is in Northern Africa. So it says right here it's a North African country bordering the Mediterranean Sea and the Sahara Desert. So I honestly didn't know anything about it. So it's actually kind of interesting. It gives you a little bit of the little tidbits of information about it, and then it tells you how to be able to get the music, and it gives you the link to get the music and just a few little things about it. So on to everything that we received, and guys, forgive me, I'm not really good at pronouncing foreign words, so this is the Tunisian mint that we received. We got, I think it's Tabil spice blend. And then, let's see, harissa. And then the Tunisian dessert spice blend. And I looked up what each of those were because it comes with a little card, and I'll show you at the end. So this is the first recipe, is Tunisian orange cake, which is the dessert, which looks really good. This one is Marget Gelbana, and that actually uses leg of lamb, but you can actually substitute it, I believe, for tofu instead if you're vegetarian. Tunisian spinach rice, sorry. This one is Le Blalbi. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but it's chickpea soup, which is kind of cool looking. This one is Slata Mechuia. It's sort of like a bruschetta. And then the Tunisian mint tea. So that looks pretty cool. And what I actually do enjoy, at the back, you have the cooking guide. It tells you how to substitute things. And then you also have your shopping list, which is helpful. But I think the best one when you have a lot of different foreign things is when it tells you the spices. So, like I can see that this one, the spice blend right here was a blend of coriander, caraway, and cumin. And then this one, the harissa, was sumac, cumin, and coriander, garlic, paprika, and different chilies. But then this dessert blend, it was cloves, nutmeg, ginger, and cinnamon. It sort of sounds like our pumpkin pie spice blend around here in America. So it sounds like that'll be a really good sweet dessert. And then this is the mint. So again, this was the entire box that I got for March. And if you guys enjoy them, then I suggest that you check them out at spicemadam.com, and you can always subscribe to them. So thank you so much for watching.